Okay. Now I think today is October 22, 2025. So yesterday, October 21, 2025, I have analysis to that trade. So yesterday, if yung market is pababa, then sa 8:15 is tumaas. So that's the mean. Kahit yang 15 minutes lang na equivalent of tataas na basically or I think na bababa yung market. Yes. Kasi na kung very deep yung pagbaba ng market sa London session, then may sa 8:15 to 8:30 na tumaas din ng konti. So that's the reason na magsisell ka. Kasi 'di ba, yung trade natin may tinatawag tayo na yung trend. May mid trend, very bullish, very bearish. So kapag very bearish is simply means na maliit din yung pullback. Maliit lang yung pullback. So yan yung napansin ko kapag uh, kapag ano yan sa 8:15 is tataas pero sa London is sa previous time na very deep o yung pagbaba ng price. So yan mga pre, it means mas dumi-discount pa sila, no? Kahit kunti lang. So hinahabol nila yung market. So I hope you get what my point. So just check the October 21, 2025 trade, and yeah, makikita mo doon yung mini-min ko. Mag-focus ka sa 8:15 to 8:30 na tumaas, pero so yung 8:14 below, yung like 7 o'clock PM to 8:14 PM na yan, grabing pababa. Just check it and you will understand, bro, ha.